excited about this evening?
Yeah, completely. I always get invited out of the blue. It's always an honour to be here as a guest and be invited and also represent Monster. Been an athlete for many years, so yeah, really excited and happy to be here.
And to tell us what is so special about Gymkhana Grid.
Well, put it this way, they've done such a good job with the event, with the videos. You know, they've gone viral, and it's just great to be a part of it and you know, enjoy what the hard work everybody's put in and see what the boys have been up to.
And motorsport obviously is very much part of the family trade. Why would you diversify into Gymkhana Grid as opposed to the more traditional form of motor racing?
I think it's cooler. You know, it's all about smoke and loud noises and really maximising what the car can do or what a car can do, sort of pushing it to its limit and past the grip level sometimes and gives you a new lease of life, I would say, into motorsport and sort of learning about what it takes to be a driver. You sort of have that car control and what you need to be at the top level.
And what I've enjoyed about watching the documentary, and you'll see as well, and you know from experience, is the inclusivity of the sport. It really doesn't matter what your background is, what your race is, what your gender is. Actually, if you want to just get in there and do it, you can.
Yeah, it's all about bringing the people that don't really know about motorsport, but love getting down and dirty into the smoke and donuts, all that sort of stuff, and drifting, and actually learning about what you need to do, how you can become a driver, and to know that you really don't need a background to become a driver. You know, we all just love motorsport, we love engines, we love the rawness of it, and you know, hopefully by showing what Gymkhana can do for people, can open new doors for many talent and people coming through.
Can you share with us a little bit of what it's like when you're doing a donut and that kind of a whole adrenaline rush?
Yeah, I mean, firstly, you just want to make as much smoke as you can, you know, and show people that sort of doing a donut isn't skill, really. Sometimes you can do a skillful donut, but mainly you just want to put on a good show for the crowd, you know, and it feels so good when you can't really see what's going on because you've got so much smoke around the car, wheel comes inside, and you know you've done a good job that way, and it keeps everybody's smile on their face.